Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a bacon bouquet. Really tasty tutorial here. So it's something different for your loved one if you don't want to give them normal flowers. So to start off you're going to need some streaky bacon. And I'm going to take the pieces of this and we're just going to simply just roll it up to make the rosebud. So you lay it out, work from one end to the other and just roll it. And you want to roll it so it makes a kind of spirally shape. And that's your bacon rosebud. To make it stay in shape while it's cooking, you're going to need cocktail sticks or toothpicks, whatever you want to call them. And we're just going to use those to keep it all in place. So you want to put one straight through the middle and then one going in the opposite direction as well, in the sideways direction. So they kind of cross over. And this should hold it together while it's cooking, then after it's cooked you can pull them out and it will stay in shape. And then you just want to stand that up on a tray ready to go in the oven, and then you do as many as you like depending on how big you want your bouquet. You can make them look slightly different by rolling them up tighter to make like a tighter rosebud, or maybe a bit looser, and then just manipulate the edges just slightly just so it looks more like an open rosebud. So you can make them look slightly different depending on what look you're actually going for. I should have really got 2 packs of bacon for this. So once that's done, you're going to pop them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Then I've got a 10 centimeter polystyrene ball which I'm going to cover up in tin foil, and this is what I'm going to put the roses on. So I'm just going to cover that, and then I'm going to pop this into a glass as well so it stands up. And then that's what it's going to be displayed on. 10 centimeter ball is, it kind of looks small, but I think with the bacon I used I probably should have done 2 dozen roses where I only done a dozen. It needed more. More bacon's always good. So once they're done and cooled, you want to take a cocktail stick again and pop it, sorry I know I'm off camera here, pop it through the centre of the rosebud and then use it to stick it through the ball. If the centre of your rosebud's kind of open, you might want to go slightly at an angle with the cocktail stick to make it stick, and then just place them where you want into the ball, because polystyrene ain't easy, just pop in and stay there. And just keep filling up that ball, going around. I say it would have looked a whole lot better if I had done 2 dozen. And you just want to just arrange it so it kind of looks like a bouquet of roses. Then just to finish it off, I just got some tissue paper and I'm just going to like kind of wrap this around the glass. And I'm going to tie it off around like the top of the glass, just to hold it in place. And I'm just going to fold down the edges just so it's like slightly less like puffy in certain areas, just to try and make it look a bit more presentable. And then you're done. That's it. You're free to give it to your loved ones or do what I did and eat it yourself. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye.